So we are going to start our fishbowl lesson today. And as I instructed you on, Friday, we talked about our article about college applications and whether race should be considered. And you will all got your section after we numbered all the paragraphs. You got your section that you had to do or write your questions, your leveled questions. So you should have those prepared with you today. And whether or not you are a 1, you had to write questions based on paragraphs 1 to 15. And if you are a 2, you wrote your questions based on paragraph 16 to 30. So I would hope that all of you had those questions done today and are in preparation to create our circle. So in just a minute, I want you to rearrange the chairs so that there is a inside circle. If you are a number 1, you're going to go first. If you are a number 2, your chairs will be on the outside of that circle. So I want you to make sure that you bring your questions. And those of you that are a 2, you might want to write on or have something to put underneath your question so you can write comments. Comments about what is being talked about in the number 1 circle. And again, remember, if you are a number 1, once our time is up, about 10 minutes of our discussion, when you switch, the number 1s will be on the outside. Your job will be to only listen and make and write down comments on what number 2's group is talking about. Are there any questions at this point? Okay. So right now, again, I want you to rearrange the room. We'll get things set up, and we will get going. All right, thanks. All right, we've got our circle ready to go, and number 1s are in the inside, and you are the ones who, again, have questions ready to go for paragraphs 1 to 15. Again, the outer circle, your job is to listen only, document what's being talked about, and then again, that will be on the back of your question sheet that you have prepared. Now, on the inside circle, we have a facilitator, and that facilitator will be giving you hash marks on when you discuss or when you talk. Again, make sure that you're not monopolizing. The facilitator will then ask someone who has not talked yet to be sure that you ask your question. So again, make sure you are not monopolizing, and you might want to wait maybe 2 or 3 different people before you want to try to share again, if that would be possible. All right, so I will give the clipboard to our facilitator, and we'll get started with our discussion on whether or not race should be talked about in your college application.
Oh, I'm starting. Okay. So, who would like to begin with their question?
Okay. So my question is do you think the college admissions see color when deciding on accepting a student or not?
Group 1, what I'd like us to do at this point will be, you're going to need, Group 1, you're going to need to find a chair behind, and we'll let Group 2 get ready to go. All right, great job, Group 2. We are ready to go, and our facilitator today is going to be Sienna. So we will get Sienna to get rolling with our job today.
All right, so does anybody have a good question about okay, Dougie? Okay, my question is, do you feel like your race should determine if you get into college or not? Why or why not?